Hey there, Newton here. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way and also my personal way of adding features to a game. For this video, we will add a top-down movement function for these simple scenes I've set up. We have our sandbox scene with a simple tiled map world and our player scene. You can download the sprites on the link on the description below. Now, for this project, we will focus on our player scene. Let's open up our player scene and you'll see that we added some basic nodes. A kinematic body as a parent, then a collision and a sprite node. First things first, we need to add the input controls for our game. Open up our project settings and head over to the input map. Here, we can set our own controls. I'll go for the standard WASD. Add a script to our parent scene. Now this script will hold our player stats. For the movement function, we will need a direction and a movement speed. This speed is just for my preference. You can set it any way you want. Now let's add the node 2D, which will hold our top-down script. Let's add the script. We will be needing an export variable so we can assign our parent scene through the properties easily. Then a converter for us to reference our parent scene to our code. Add the physics process function. Then our movement code. Create a local direction variable. Using the input.getActionStrength, we will be getting the direction X and Y. Normalizing our direction so that even if the direction is diagonal, we will still be getting the same amount in direction. Then applying it to our parent kinematic scene using the move and slide function. We will be multiplying our direction to the movement speed. Last thing is to assign our parent scene to the variable. Then hit that play button. Hope you like this simple top-down controller tutorial, and if so, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment down below what next feature you want to add to our little game. Until then, have fun making games, and cheers!